Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a professional banner step by step. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important details. First, we need to select the correct banner size. Go to your design tool and choose a custom size or a preset banner size according to your platform. Once you select it, your canvas will open, and now we're ready to start designing. Now let's work on the background. Change the background color to black. After that, go to Elements and search for green shadow. Add it to your canvas and adjust its position. You can also change the shadow color if you want a different vibe. To make the background more attractive, add some texture effects. You can search for textures in Elements and apply them on top of the background. Reduce the opacity so it blends nicely and doesn't overpower the design. Now let's add some shapes to enhance the design. Choose simple shapes like circles or rectangles. Resize them, rotate them, and place them in different positions. Also, change their colors to match your theme. Next, we'll add the main image. Upload your image and place it. Click on the image and use the background remover tool. After removing the background, adjust position. You can also reduce the saturation slightly for a more professional look. Now it's time to add the main heading. Click on Text and add a text box. Type your heading and then adjust the font style, size, and color. To make it more attractive, apply a gradient color. Make sure the text is clear and easy to read. Now adjust all the elements properly. Check the spacing, alignment, and overall balance of the design. Make sure everything looks clean and professional. And that's it, your banner design is ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.